very beautiful specimen reaching up. It really feels like a wash, like it could be rain here, or you could see the water that would flow. This cactus it's been felled. Wash, like it could be rain here, or you could see the water that would flow. As you can see, it's encased in the shell there. Here's some without any of the arms. Here, as you can see, one with many arms. It's naga. It's laid on its side in a flash flood, continuing to live. It's fruited and flowered, and here we have the maturing fruits of the bisnaga. These are very tender flower buds. As you can see, there are wash, like it could be rain here, or you could see the water that would flow. See here, it has the seeds, the ripe seeds. This is the seed of the jojoba. And just give you an idea of this beautiful, beautiful canyon. And this is just a little bit wash, like it could be rain here, or you could see the water that would flow. This as a hair restorer, to take the jojoba seeds and brown them in a cast iron skillet into the blue sky, the saguaro. This is actually a nice little canyon of saguaros here. Wash, like it could be rain here, or you could see the water that would flow. Here we have the first leaves of the brittle bush, the encilia. You can see the young tender leaves just coming out after a late August strong monsoon season.